Hello everyone, in today's lesson we'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of This I Promise You by Nsync in the easy key of C major, which is 2 semitones lower than the original key. If you find the song still too high to sing, I provided the link to the tutorial for the song in the lower key of B flat major in the comments and description sections below. Here's our middle C for reference. We'll learn the song in the easy key of C major, which later changes key to D major. We'll begin with the intro, starting with our left hand. We have C, G, C for C major, G, D, G for G major, A, E, A for A minor 7, F, C, F for F major, C, G, C for C major, G, D, G for G major, and F, C, F for F major. So that's C major, G major, A minor 7, F major, C major, G major, and F major. On the right hand, we start with G, followed by C and E played together, G, followed by B and D played together. We'll repeat that. Then we have G and C played together twice, followed by D and E. Then we have A and F played together, followed by E, D, and C. Putting what we have together, we have this. Then we have G and E played together, followed by D, C, D, C, B, and A, C, A. We'll repeat the last part of the intro. Putting all the parts for the right hand, we have this. Slowly with hands together, we have this. At normal speed, our intro sounds like this. And you can play F, C, F on your left hand. Again, here's Here's a preview of the verse sections, which sound like this. We begin our verse with the G major chord, with G on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Next is A minor 7 with A on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Next is F major with F on the left and F, A, and C on the right. Then we return back to G major. Let's try those 4 chords again. G major, A minor 7, F major, and back to G major. This chord progression is repeated twice for the first section. Here's a preview of the pre-chorus sections. Our first chord is D minor 7 with D on the left and F, A, and C on the right. Next is F over G with G on the left, and on the right we still have F, A, and C. Next is G major with G on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Let's try those 3 chords again. D minor 7, F over G, and G major. Then we have C major with C on the left and G, C, and E on the right. G over B with B on the left and G, B, and D on the right. A minor 7, which we had learned earlier. Let's try those previous 6 chords together. That's D minor 7, F over G, G major, C major, G over B, and A minor 7. Then we have D minor 7, which we learned earlier. Then we have F minor, with F on the left, and F, G sharp, and C on the right. Then we have F over G, and G major. Let's go through that last section again. We have D minor 7, F minor, F over G, and G major. Let's try that whole pre-chorus progression slowly. We have D minor 7, F over G, G major, C major, G over B, A minor 7, D minor 7, F minor, F over G, and G major. Here's a preview of the first and second chorus. First chord is C major, then G major, A minor 7, Then we have C major, G major, F major, and then end with C major. The rhythm of the chords I would use sounds like this. Here's a preview of the bridge section. Our first chord is D minor 7, then F over G, and G major, and we repeat these three chords again. Then we have C major, G over B, and A minor 7. Let's put those chords together with the proper rhythm. D minor 7, F over G, G major, D minor 7, F over G, G major, C major, G over B, and A minor 7. Then we have C over G, with G on the left, and G, C, and E on the right. Next is F major, and then G major. Now playing the entire bridge section, we have D minor 7, F over G, G major, D minor 7, F over G, G major, C major, G over B, A minor 7, C over G, F major, and end with G major. From here, we do a key change to D major, where we have two sharps. Our first chord is D major with D on the left, and A, D, and F sharp on the right. Next is A major with A on the left, and A, C sharp, and E on the right. Then we have B minor 7 with B on the left, and A, D, and F sharp on the right. Then we have G major, which we learned before, with G on the left, and G, B, and D on the right. Let's repeat those four chords again. D major, A major, B minor 7, and G major. Then we have D major, then A major, then G major. We'll repeat the progression for the third chorus, this time with proper rhythm. This chorus chord progression is repeated twice near the end. For the outro, we play the last part of the chorus, which is D major, A major, G major, and end with D major. For the final D major chord, you can play D on the left and A, D, F sharp, and A on the right. This, I Promise You, was written by Richard Marx, who has written other great love songs including Right Here Waiting, which I've also provided below